Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to check your WordPress error log on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to Websites, and next to the website you want to check the error logs for, click on this Manage button. In my case, I want to check the error logs of this base tutorial.com WordPress website. So click on Manage. Then from this overview page, scroll down a little bit and click on Logs. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Here you have different types of logs. You have access log, activity log, and PHP errors. The access logs gives or tracks all HTTP requests to your site, helping with securing, monitoring, troubleshooting, visitor tracking, and resource usage analysis. They are useful for detecting unauthorized access, identifying errors, and analyzing traffic patterns. But while the activity log keeps a detailed record of all the action in your hosting account, including logins, file changes, database updates, and account setting modification. It helps you monitor activity, troubleshoot issues, and maintain security. Now, the PHP file is an example of the PHP errors log, which the PHP error logs track issues in scripts, including flutter errors, warnings, notices, parse errors, and deprecated function warning. They help debug and fix problems to ensure smooth website performance. And if this error log is not enough for you, you can simply go back to the overview page, then jump to the files and access page, scroll down a little bit, and next to error logs, click on this Manage button to see logged website errors on the server. Click on it, a new page opens up, and here you will see the latest web server error log messages. And this is how to check your WordPress error log on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.